1,500 houses down in the Marina area, but no one's paid the levy since 2015.
And has North Somerset paid any money into the levy?
No.
You know?
No, it's been funded by PMML, which is a separate company that has the residual levy money in it, which will then run out in 2 years' time. So.
I thought that was important because I think there was a comment about North Somerset paying money into
It's basically funded by PMML money. The maintenance is carried out by North Somerset contractors.
Sorry, can I just correct you on that?
Sure, yeah.
As far as I'm aware, as all the documents that I received at the time, PMML are just a managing agent. They do not fund anything. They are a managing agent between Persimmon and, as happens now, North Somerset Council, but they are not a funder of anything.
They don't fund it, they just hold
But
the
that's
money.
what you were saying. You've got to be really clear with your
They just
wording.
hold-
I'm sorry.
They just hold the money, basically. So.
I think he did make that clear.
No, he didn't. He said they were funding.
Obviously, people didn't, yeah, it is complicated, so that's fine. Yeah, I understand. Lynn?